Hi, Frank Alexander here with Alexander Heating and Air. Just want to give you a little video. We found a leaky valve core on these new Goodman service valves, and you can't really pull the valve core out with your standard valve core tool. So what we did in this case is we added a little straight adapter to the top of the valve, which has the old style or the standard Schrader valve end on it on the other end, so that you now have a removable Schrader valve core, and that we can close off that leak without actually cutting out the valve from the unit. So we're just putting a little adapter on the top that allows us to seal off the leak and also have a service port we can attach our hoses to. Okay, we're here today. We replaced or found a leaky valve stem in this package unit. It's one of the new valve stems, so we added this little cap here to the top of the existing valve. And you can see the old valve on the liquid or the suction side, and we've already recovered and evacuated the system. We're now just pumping it down, and as you can see, we're at about 733 microns. So once we get down and hold down below 500, we'll stop vacuuming out, check for any rise in pressure, and then we'll add back the 22 in and lay it back in this unit. You can see here 77 ounces of R22. We'll put that back in just a little bit.
I don't wanna take the one thing that I love to break.